Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you swatches of the winter bundle from Sydney Grace. And if you like these types of videos, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing because I do swatches along with a whole host of other beauty related videos here on my channel every Saturday. And hit that little notification bell so you won't miss a video. So these are the 13 shadows that make up the winter bundle from Sydney Grace. And if you have been here before, you know that I've done swatches of some of their other shadows when they were called Feather River Body. So Sydney Grace is formerly Feather River Body, and I will link that swatch video in the cards up here and in the description box below so you can check out those eyeshadows. So this is my second time purchasing from them and using their shadows because I like them. I like the pigmentation. I like that they're easy to blend. I like the price. And I like that they're independent and female-owned company. They can only be found, I believe, online right now. Their eyeshadows used to come in a black package with rose gold or gold writing. I think it was gold writing, and they have since changed that, and I don't know if you can see from my bright lights, but it's now more of a like blush, very light blush color with a like a rose pewter writing. That is what the packaging looks like now, and the eyeshadow, of course, would be there if there was an eyeshadow in there. And the ingredients are on the back just like they were before. This seems to be like the it color right now. And on the front, the shadows are 1.8 grams or 0.064 ounces. I took them all out of the packaging and I put them in this magnetic palette that I got from Altair. And as you can see, it's this nice kind of marble hard cardboard, very attractive, and it bends all the way back, and it has a little mirror. So this is the winter bundle. They do sell it with a palette, and I think that's like $52 if you buy it with the palette. If you buy the shadows only, which is what I did, it's $44. Now this eyeshadow bundle came out at the end of last year, near the holiday time, I want to say, in the winter. And to introduce it, I believe she was having 15% off, 20% off. I forget which, but there was a discount. And I was trying to be good because, you know, I'm trying not to spend a lot of money on makeup these days, so I didn't buy it. And then I let the discount go, and then I saw Makeup Struggles, another YouTuber here, and she used them, and I was like, damn. So what does my dumb ass go do? I go out and I buy the bundle at full price, which is $44. But even at full price for $44, I feel like that's still a good price. Normally their shadows, their pressed shadows, they do sell pressed pigments as well, but the pressed shadows are $5 each, and buying them in the bundle, they came out to less than $4 a piece, $3 and some change a piece. So I'm looking for my receipt. Yeah, they came to like $3.67 each when you buy them in the bundle. And I also paid $4 shipping, which is a flat fee. And so my total came to $48. And on the website, it says it's a pre-order. When you order the shadows, it says pre-order because the shadows sold out when they were first launched. They sold out so quickly, much quicker than they anticipated, so they had to, I guess, cook up some new ones and get them to folks. But so I thought it was going to be a while before I got mine, but I placed my order, and 2 days later I got a confirmation, I believe, that they were shipped, and then I got them within the week. So it didn't take any time at all for me to get them. And this bundle, from the moment I first saw this bundle, I loved it because I really love cool tone shadows. I love warm tone shadows too because I just love eyeshadows. I just love them all. But lately, because the warm shadows seem to be so popular right now, seems like every palette of late is, if it's a palette of eyeshadows, it's been usually a palette of warm shadows. So when I see a cool toned eyeshadow palette, I want to jump for joy and jump and buy it, because you don't see them too often anymore. And I love all these colors. So it's a mixture of mattes and shimmer shades, and it's 13 shadows, 2, 4, 6, 8 of them are shimmer, and the rest of them are matte. I like these shadows. That's why I continue to repurchase them, even though I don't need any more eyeshadows. I don't need them, but I want them. So no more talking. I like these shadows. I would recommend them if you haven't tried them already. And now I'm going to go ahead and get to what you came here for, which are the swatches. This is Wintertime. This is Winter Wonder. Wintertime is a shimmer shade. This is a matte. It's like a light mauve. This is Miracles, which is also a matte. And it's got, it's like a gray. And this is like a light lavender mauve tone. And then this one is a shimmery light mauve tone. It's kind of like the shimmer to this one here. This is Below Zero. Beautiful blue shimmer shade. This is Flannel. Shimmer purple. And this is Black Ice, which is a shimmery gray pewter shade. This is Celebrate, which is this beautiful lime green shimmer shade. This is Evergreen, which is self-explanatory. It's a matte shade. This is Ice Fishing, which is this beautiful teal matte shade. And this is Comforter, which is another beautiful light green shimmer shade. It's a green with some gold, flash of gold in it, like a duochrome. Very pretty. This is Abies, another pretty forest green shimmer shade. This is Jolly, dark purple plum. And this is Mittens, a dark brown with plum undertone. So those are the swatches, and these are the shadows. Again, it is the winter bundle from Sydney Grace. If you haven't tried them, I suggest you go ahead and check them out. They do have sales from time to time, so you might want to wait for a sale, but even without a sale, they're pretty reasonably priced. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing, because I do beauty related videos, including swatches, here on my channel every Saturday. Thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.